Hello, friends. I am Minu. The way you see the world is all about your attitude. Yes, attitude is the one which gives you a view to see the world. Now, you will say that what is attitude? So, attitude is the way you view the world, the way you see the world. That is attitude. But person can have positive attitude and negative attitude. What do you mean by that? A positive attitude person will always think, I can do it. And a negative attitude person will, I can't. A positive attitude person will think about solutions to a problem. He will always think about what is there in that thing or in that system. But a negative attitude person will always think about problems and problems and problems. He will always think about what is missing out from here. Positive thinker will always think about the possibilities, opportunities. He will think about blessings. He will think about good things in everybody, in everything. But a negative attitude person will always find or always try to find fault in everything. He will always think negative in everything. He will not think about blessings. He will think about some fault, some missing part, something negative. He will always think about limitations. But what do you think that everybody is born like that? With positive attitude and negative attitude? No. Everybody born same. They have clean, clear attitude. That means positive attitude. But have you ever seen your child? Whatever you are teaching him, whatever you are saying him, he does that. If you are saying that, okay, don't go that room, it's too dark, it's scary, he will start thinking like that, okay, dark room will be scary. If you say that, no, you can do it. If you have fallen down, you can get up and go ahead. He will do that. But if you keep pampering, oh, my baby, you fall down and all, he will also get, oh, I got hurt. Have you ever thought that how babies or how our children do their trading with us? Are you surprised? No. Have you ever seen that our children have asked something, some game or some toy, and if you are not giving them, they start crying, annoying, and they will do all tantrum, and you will please and you will give him. So next time again they will do same thing. Why? Because we taught him that if you do that tantrum, we will give you. So we as a parent, as a guardian, as a relative, feed attitude in our children. Later, teachers. Later, surroundings. Our friends. Our classmates. Later, colleagues. Everybody is just implementing or inputting stuff in you. And if you don't have a clear mindset in your childhood or clear attitude, it would be very difficult for you to change yourself. But old habits die hard. There are so many things that hamper our attitude, that gives us a negative attitude and positive attitude towards anything. There are so many things like doubt, there are rejections, there are disappointment, and everything. But it's on us how we can deal with it. Charles Popston has said, "You can't always control circumstances, but you can control your own thoughts." Yes, of course, we can control our thoughts. Circumstances are not in our hand, but we can change our own thoughts. There is an example. There was a person who had been in jail for years and years. He could have give up, but he never changed himself. Have you ever observed that if you try to be happy, if you from inside, if you feel happy, or if you try to pretend happy, after few moments or after few minutes, you will feel happy. You will enjoy the moment, right? If you are not feeling enthusiastic, you are not. But if you act like that, you will be actually start feeling enthusiastic. So you can direct your thoughts, you can control your thoughts. That's in your hand. And that's the basic thing you have to do for yourself, because attitude is everything that makes you or breaks you. If you think in a positive way, you can achieve anything and everything. But if you think in a negative way, you can't achieve anything. Even if you have given 1 crore rupees, you will lose it very soon. Because in that also you will find fault or some limitations, some problem or some issue. But if you have positive attitude, you can just multiply that fund and you can utilize it in a better way. You will find opportunities, right? So control your thoughts and change yourself to be a better version of yourself, to be a positive attitude person. Hugh Dons has said that a happy person is not a person in a certain set of circumstances, but rather a person with a certain set of attitude. So think about, success is not gonna achievable until you have a positive attitude, because that is the basic thing. And every other skills will be useless if you are not having a positive attitude towards your goal, towards your dream. So have a positive attitude and work towards your dream. Be a better version of yourself.